digital spinner in order to prevent from cold calling on students during a lecture. This is a really fun, interactive way to engage students without having to cold call. And this digital spinner has various options. You can open it, you can save it, you can share it, you can customize it. And some ways you can customize the spinner is by selecting the names or the words that you want to show on the spinner. Like I can erase this and put cat, and then the word cat appears on my digital spinner. See, it's right here. Or I can add a picture like this one. We're gonna add a picture. So we can go to images, and then we can go to, it'll bring up a pop-up menu, and we have the word boy. Here we have the picture of the boy. And we want to insert this picture again. So we'll insert it. There we have boy. Again, insert it. So we have two boys. Okay. So then after that, we can have students or the teacher can spin it. And then it's so exciting because people get excited about who's gonna win, or who's gonna get chosen to answer a question, or what is the next sight word. And then the sight word that comes up is boy, and then everybody gets excited, and then after that they will say the word boy. And then there you go. For English language learners, here's the picture of boy that represents the word, which is a visual, and it helps them learn the English language quicker. So then you can remove this, and then you can spin it again, and then you may have another, let's say you have the word boy again, and then after that everybody gets excited, and then after everybody gets excited you have the word boy, the students say boy, and after that you remove it. And then after that, another thing you can do with this is you have the option to save it, like I said, and share it, customize it. Some ways you can customize it is by the duration of the ticking background noise sounds, the title, if you want it to have title, spin slowly, spin fast, how many seconds you want it to spin, maximum number of visibles on the wheel, like how many like pie sections you want on it. And yeah, so just cancel that. And then I guess that's all the features. But like I said, this is a fun way to not cold call on students and have them want to participate, be more engaged, and have more participation in your classroom.